Good morning, 8th graders. So here is a brief description on what I am looking for as far as our choice activity one pagers. So this is Igneous Rock, obviously. Okay. What's probably going to be easier is if you have the hard copy in front of you, but I already started filling in my hard copy, so we're just going to work with my digital copy. Okay, make sure that you put your name and your date up here or up here, whichever works best for you. Okay, so the one pager is laid out pretty straightforward, I feel. But here is what's up. So you need to define for me these three key terms. We have covered them in our notes. They are super duper important to understand, especially when it comes to igneous rocks. So that, how is this type of rock useful? What can it be used for? You are going to have to do a little bit of your own research for this. That is kind of the caveat to doing the one pager versus the classification activity, where you have to figure out what do we use this type of rock in. I gave a couple examples in the PowerPoint. I'm pretty sure the text also has a couple examples, and it would be weird if the video didn't. But what do we use it for? And it's more than just countertops, okay? What can we use it for? Things like that. Igneous rocks have a lot of really great uses. Examples. I need 4 examples of igneous rocks, and on top of it, what I need is, I need you to tell me what kind of igneous rock it is. So if I were to go up here, go to my text box, and I know you guys don't have all these options, but if I were to go up here, and I were to type in obsidian, okay, and spell it correctly, I also then need to put in there that this is an extrusive igneous rock, okay. That's important. You should know where you are finding these types of rocks, because then it tells us a lot more information. Okay, so that. When I come down here, draw a picture of this type of rock and pick out any of the features with the labels. So here is what I have done for you. I need to, so if I go into Schoology, now granted it will actually be open to you, when I go into Schoology, if I go into my igneous rock choice activity, I know, lots of clicks. I had it on the wrong page. That's my fault. If you go into the one pager, you will see that there is now a page of common igneous rocks. Okay? You can then simply type into your search bar common igneous rocks. If you were to choose, say, kimberlite, okay? Oh, excuse me. If you were to choose kimberlite, draw a picture like this, something that you can actually see in front of you. Okay, draw that picture and then use some adjectives. If we don't remember, let's see if nope, that's not going to highlight it for me. Adjectives are describing words. Simple. Okay, maybe you want to talk about some of their uses. Maybe you want to tell me about their crystal size, what kind of texture they have, that sort of thing. Okay. And then finally over here, complete the table for the 2 types of igneous rocks, extrusive and intrusive. So tell me about their crystal size, small, large, medium, fat, skinny, I don't know. How fast does the magma cool? Remember that very much determines the crystalline size. And then where does the magma cool? Are we on the surface? Are we in the crust? Are we out in outer space? I don't know. Okay, and then finally, what are igneous rocks made from? How do we start? What is the process right before it becomes an igneous rock? Okay, awesome. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask your teacher. But that's what I got as far as the one pager goes. Awesome, thank you.